As the CSE 340 website is developed, each view or web page should be checked against a basic list of features for compliance with web standards. These basics should also apply to future non-class site development. However, websites developed after the course may use outside frameworks or libraries. The provided front-end checklist covers the bare essentials. This video demonstrates how each of these items are checked within the browser using a few extensions and the browser tools available in most current browsers. For a short but valuable overview of web accessibility, which is inherent in a number of these checklist items, view the website provided. Two extensions are used in this video. First, the Web Developer extension, which can be downloaded from the website shown, and second, the Wave extension, also which can be downloaded from the website shown. Both of these extensions can be downloaded from the developer's website or via the add-on library of the supported browser. Let's begin. Each view must be valid HTML and CSS. Use the Web Developer tool, then clicking the Tools tab, validate CSS and validate HTML. It's important to understand that if the view being checked is live on the internet, use the links in the left column. If the view is running on your local server, use the links in the right column. Validate local HTML or validate local CSS. Second, all CSS is of your own creation. This can be checked using the Web Developer, then the CSS tab, finally, View CSS. Once the new report opens, click the Collapse All button at the top. All sources of CSS will be shown, and each should end with a .css file extension and reflect that it is of your own creation. To see the heading outline, return to the browser window. Click the Web Developer, Information, View Document Outline, midway down the right column. A new tab will open showing the heading outline of the document. There should be no missing heading levels. To check that all CSS, HTML, and JavaScript exist in separate files, right-click the view and select Inspect Element. Click the Network tab. Then click the Disable Cache and the All options. Reload the view. Then click the HTML, CSS, and JS options, making sure that only that option is selected to show where each resource is found on the server. To check the download wait, while still in the Network tab, ensure that the All option is selected. In the bottom left corner, you will see the total number of requests, and to the right is the total weight of those requests. The left number must be 500 kilobytes or less. To check the responsiveness, find the mobile emulation tool in the browser tools and enable it. The browser window should now alter to provide emulations for a number of devices. Select the device from the list. The visible area will adjust to the screen size. All content in the view should adapt and remain fully readable without the need for zooming or horizontal scrolling. Be sure to test on multiple devices. When done, click the emulator tool again to disable it. As views present their content, the screen real estate should be filled. This does not mean that there cannot be any empty space, just that there should not be large blocks of empty space. Use the space provided to deliver the content. In the browser window, look at the Browser tab for the content of the title element. This value should reflect the main content heading in the view. It can be identical or similar, but should not be generic or untitled. Finally, click the Wave tool. It will do an analysis of accessibility features of the view. While not perfect, it checks accessibility basics. Ensure that the top two boxes in the results pane show no errors or contrast errors. To hide the wave report, click the Wave tool again. To re-emphasize, each view that is developed for the CSE 340 class must meet these standards. I hope this video shows you how to check your own work for compliance. Good luck as you develop your web resources.